Okay, well, the wife came through proper for the birthday this year. We are replacing our beloved GoPro. The GoPro Hero 5 that I've been using is okay, and at sometimes maddening. And it does have its limitations. So, we got here, this is just an extra battery charger for out of here. The vlogger kit. I'm a vlogger. I hold a camera up to my face out in public and walk around and look like a crazy person. But now I call it a career. Yeah. It's cool. The handset, the handle set is replacing my smartphone GoPro app as a remote control for the camera. It'll barely ever be mounted on there. But yeah, this is the Sony ZV-1. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, carefully. Of course, we got to put it on the turntable. Let's turn this thing on. Whoa! That's a little trippy. But yeah, this is our new camera. This is what we will be filming all of our crappy videos with. So, it does 4K. I'll try 4K the first time, and we'll see how it goes. Let's switch over to the new camera and see if it looks any better. Alright, BRB. Well, let's see here. Whoa, we're recording? This is, it's so much easier. It's just doing stuff. This is nice. Well, okay, there's the old GoPro, and getting used to this new camera, but so far, looks a lot better. And it's got that nice background blur to it that everyone always craves. So yeah, okay, that's it. We're upgraded. ZV-1, I don't know. I haven't used it enough yet, but look at that. Look at that. Oh my god! That is the best. It's got the, yeah. See? It's no more that, focus, you. It's just gonna focus. That's so cool. It just, you put something in front of the, it's like, hello. This is what we're looking at now, not? Oh god. Okay, I'm excited. So excited. We got the little remote here. Well, that thing focuses good up close. And we're done with this video. Goodbye.